Good morning, traders, and welcome to our pre market forecast for today, Friday, June the 21st. My name is Manny Cabrera, co founder of MDC Trading Academy, and let's quickly jump to our analysis, looking at our news for the day. For today, we have a flash manufacturing PMI here. It's going to be happening at 9:45. Flash manufacturing PMI 9:45. That's right in the middle of our first half hour of trading. We begin our trading at 9:30. So keep your eyes open for this particular news item. Let's jump to our technical analysis, beginning with our daily chart. As we can see, the market established an all-time high at 2964.50. That's what we're heading to right now. Right now, that created a doji, obviously a lot of indecision and these all-time highs. It seems to be the case. I think the next step for this market is probably 3,000. But we'll see. We may have some sort of either consolidation today or a little bit of a retracement before continuing higher. So keep your eyes open for that. Volume's been very good at over a million. Our ATR is over 29%, 29. Is the volatility actually has weaned a little bit, and it's obvious simply because we're in a market that is approaching the all-time highs. The ranges seem to tighten up a little bit. The volume seems to lower a little bit, but that's the adage in Wall Street. We go up at the stairs and we come down the elevators. But here we have a doji that so far is looking like it's closing to the downside. It may be that the initial movement in the market could be to the downside. Let's begin. Let's look at our next time level here. And what we have here is what we call our projection chart. As you can see here, we have a trend line that's pretty much holding the market to the upside, but we're definitely compressing. We're definitely compressing. You can actually have a compression all the way from here, but a more tighter compression that we can see clearly here where the market is holding. And there's our all-time high right there, right above us. As you can see, we have buying pressure, but at the same time coming off the highs, you can expect some sort of selling pressure, but the market seems to be holding steady within this range. So this is the range that we got to keep our eyes open for the day. You can see it more clearly here in our next time frame here. As you can see, there's our compression. We have selling pressure and we have buying pressure. Here's our first attempt to retest this area here. Let's see if the market holds. If it holds, we're expecting another probable attempt to this area here. And obviously, markets cannot continue to compress between areas. The market can move lower from here, and if it does, then we'll start looking more towards this area. Somewhere along here, the market is going to find a little support, potentially right here in this area here if it breaks through. And then what we have is a very clear resistance area, a very clear support area, and within here we have a clear compression. So what are we expecting? We are expecting it to hold and come and retest this area here, and then it can potentially do one of two things. It can come back and retest, or it can attempt a breakout from here and then attempt to move higher. Those are our plans for today. Within here, as the market continues to stay within this range, it's going to get tighter and tighter, so our risk reward is going to be less. So keep your eyes open on early trades within this range here. Anything closer to here, like I said, risk reward is going to be affected. If it holds, expect a rebound. Otherwise, it's going to break through and find support here, and now you know which way we're going. Let's look over here at our trade chart, and as you can see here, market again. There is our compression from yesterday's intraday low, and we have an intraday low and intraday high. Market is between this area. Here it is retest. You see how it held? See how it's holding? See how it's holding? That's one of the things we teach our students. We pride ourselves in teaching students how to read the market. What does that mean? We're always anticipating, and based on that anticipation, we always know exactly what to expect on the market, and whether it does it or if it doesn't do it, we adapt to the market movement. But it's also important to have a plan and to execute that plan. So we need you to read the market read the stock market like a newspaper, and execute your plan as a professional athlete who's continually consistent. Have a great trading session today, and have a great weekend. Ciao.